Boom shakalaka, each time panic has been this significant, it has led to massive gains for investors. And why the total crypto market cap is likely headed back to previous all-time highs within 12 months. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video we are taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why the panic we are seeing across the markets is likely leading to highs and why all of crypto will be back where we knew it in less than 12 months. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, push that like button. Now today, fear at 45, down from the past couple days. This happens as the overall market down 2.5% today. Bitcoin at 27.62, Ethereum at 15.24, BNB at 2.90, XRP 38 cents, Cardano 33 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Polygon 94 cents. Now, is this a surprise that the market has dropped? No, we were talking about this when this parabola broke the past day or two. Well, we were talking about how the price was likely to come back. Now, levels where it could come back, $20,000, previous all-time high. Also the 200 daily moving average. That's another level that Bitcoin could find support on. Or if it comes all the way back to the top of this descending wedge right now, roughly around $18,500. And there's a lot of panic in the markets. That's been basically the theory for a long time. Not the theory, but that's been what's going on for a long time. Contrary to what's been going on at the top when there was a lot of frothiness, there's a lot of panic right now. This level of panic has only been seen 3 other times since 2004. Each of these times led to massive gains for investors. Will this time be different? Everybody thinks this time is different. The most anticipated recession on the face of the planet. Bitcoin recently just broke through the 200-day moving average. Previously, it was a fake out a couple times on the way down. But if the momentum has shifted from downtrend to uptrend, like I was mentioning earlier, this 200-day moving average could become support for Bitcoin. Right now, we have just about a cross of the 20 and 50-day weighted moving averages. They failed to cross over in April while on the downtrend. But the last time that they did cross over, that was quite a significant bull run for Bitcoin. And where we are right now, the market has pretty much recovered to where we were roughly in April of last year. Almost a year ago, the market has recovered in terms of the number of addresses holding $1,000 to $1 million in Bitcoin. Pretty good recovery there. We're in the point of the market pre-halving, if you base this just on time alone, where generally the bear trend is over and the rest is the accumulation phase before the massive bull phase. So there are basically 3 parts to a market. Most of the people get in late bull when there's a lot of hype, and then they have to ride out the bear market, and then there's the accumulation phase, which is just kind of slow growth, and then eventually parabolic bull run. But that stuff takes a little while to happen, happens after the halving. It's coming. Now, if we take a look at this chart right here, we recently had an OBV breakout right down here, this blue line. Also getting very, very close to a Bitcoin breakout. In the past, whether it was a fake out or a breakout, OBV, which is the on-balance volume breakouts, occurred a bit before Bitcoin ones. OBV generally tends to be a leading indicator for Bitcoin. The recent OBV breakout could be announcing the most anticipated Bitcoin breakout of this bear market. As you can see, each time we had a breakout in the OBV previously, that was basically right before Bitcoin took off. Now, you can see here in 2015, there was a rejection for Bitcoin before a breakout, and Bitcoin OBV had a fake out and then back down before the real breakout. Could that be happening again? Certainly could. But this interesting Bitcoin point and figure chart shows similar patterns to a bear reversal moment. We can see previous bear reversal moments had nice price movement for Bitcoin afterwards. It looks like the same thing happening once again. Could be headed up for Bitcoin. And if you don't believe that, how about the RSI price action? When we have parabolic growth to the RSI and a bottoming in Bitcoin price, what happens shortly afterwards? Very nice move for Bitcoin. Sudden buyers as the price goes up. Which brings us to this. Right now, yields are going down. USD is going down. So yields are here and USD is right here, and Bitcoin starting to go up. Now, historically, when yields go down, Bitcoin goes up. When dollar goes down, Bitcoin goes up. When yields in dollars go down, Bitcoin goes up. So as these continue to go down, Bitcoin likely going to continue to go up. As a matter of fact, just breaking out from this raising wedge on an inverted chart. So this is truly a descending wedge. But look at where price will likely go. Back to previous all-time highs that we saw for the total market cap. And if you want to know when, we can take a look here at the Bitcoin and global liquidity cycles represented by the Chinese 10-year. Every all-time high setting move began after the Chinese 10-year closed above its 3-week 20 moving average. This occurred mid-November, already happened. In each case, the major impulse topped at most 12 months afterwards. This was 11 months, 12 months, 5 months, 6 months, 9 months. The longest one was 12 months. We had a breakout here where the Chinese 10-year closed above the moving average. So roughly 5 to 12 months, we should be having another top, which based on this, at the very minimum, could be previous all-time highs. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.